Okay, Amelie, I'm making a video about us. We're at Sculpture by the Sea, and Amelie wanted to make a video about it. So here we go. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Here we are at beautiful Bondi Beach. You want to see? There it is. Okay, where's my co-star? Amelie. Amelie, can you look in the video, in the camera? Hi. Alright, so we're making a video about, look, there's Andre. He's here too. Okay, here we all are. And we are going to go up the hill towards Bondi Beach. Well, up and then down. There's a sculpture. There's a sculpture. Okay, there's another really cool sculpture up there. This is towards the end of our walk. And Amelie particularly like this one.
This is a banana.
And here we go. It looks, yes, it looks like bananas or bananas. We're going to go up the hill and see some zebras. Now, I'm about to go up some stairs, which is my favorite thing to do while baby wearing. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Oh, there's the zebras. Look, Amelie. It's the zebras. Okay, I think that's enough of that.